Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. Today again I am unboxing a subscription box from the Big Book Box, and this is their July box, which was the fairy tale collection. It's already November and you might think that it's too late, but it's not actually. They pre-ordered the books from the publishers and it takes some time and it's totally over the wait. I can't wait to open up everything and show it to you. If you want to know more about the Big Book Box or their plans and everything, check out the cards above. I have already posted another video with their anniversary box collection, and that was totally amazing, so I'm expecting even more from this one. Please stay tuned till the end and let's get started. So I bought the brief box this time, and brief box usually has 5 books in it. The last book, that is The Invisible Life of Eddie LaRue. So that book has already created quite a buzz among the bookstagramers, and that book and its marches are not yet available with the team, so they will ship it to us separately. But without that book, this box already is 5 kilos. So it has quite some good items in it. So they have changed the box layout, and this is the festive collection box, and it looks different and it looks super awesome to me. So they always give this customized quote for us readers who have bought this box. Check it out. And there is the hand sanitizer. Finally. Wow. Hey, I believe you have been expecting me. You have no idea how much I have expecting this. So this is a gift wrapping paper, and it's the texture is good. Then the first item of the box, I believe, is the tote bag. Wow, it's quite big, and it is saying, "But the eyes are blind, one must look with the heart." So this is the quote, this is a famous quote actually from The Little Prince, and that's what they have put it on the bag. Then we have the theme card, which says the second star to the right, and then a customized letter from the Big Book Box. Then we have a Deadly Education inspired notebook, and the notebook looks awesome, like with the gold foiling on the black paper. Inside this we have some stickers, then some festive stickers here, and then the face of the month, the Shirley Jackson sticker, and it's a blank notebook which is going to come in handy for my doodles and sketches. Then we have the paper noodles. Next we have the Barefoot Sunshine of this month. As I explained earlier also, this has the submission from all the readers, like even if you want you can submit, and then there is the unboxing prompts for this box, and like you can totally participate in this in Instagram, and so many other things. So I am quite excited to read this one. The last one was awesome. Then we have book of the month, that is Jo and Laurie, and as you can guess, this is inspired from The Little Omen. What I believe is that what could have happened if Jo and Laurie ended up together. Oh, we have some more things here. There are some character cards from the Deadly Education itself. It is saying the star and the sun. I really need to read the book right now because the character cards are so good, even the back of it. Then we have some bookmarks, one from the Deadly Education and another from Jo and Laurie. Then the Ex Libris sticker. Ex Libris means from the library of. And then there is this postcard or theme card from like inspired from La La Land. This is so colorful, like check it out here. This is so colorful. Next we have the small box, the mini box of the month, and it usually holds the lapel pin, as it is saying rightly. And this month's lapel pin is inspired from the Accoter. Look how shiny it is. Then we have the book, The Deadly Education. This is the alternate cover from the book box. Let's see the original cover of the book. The original one is also so good, and it is a sprayed one. Then we have this huge book and it is named as Night, Sleep, Death and the Stars. And yes, I cannot wait to read this. Look at this. This is a huge one. Okay, next we have this book here. If you have been following them in their Instagram, or if you choose to do so, they put the behind the scene of this box, and they said that with the box being larger than usual, even then they could not fit all the books in the box. That is why we have it here. This is The Kinder Poison. This one is also creating quite the buzz among the bookstagrammers. So there goes my 4 books, and then I believe these 2 are the marches of this month. Wow, look at this. So this is a candle holder, and I absolutely love candles. Then we have the candle of the month. Look at this. This candle is also inspired from A Deadly Education. Look at this. This is a coffee scented one, and this candle is from The Alchemist Candle. Then we have this month's Book Buzzed newsletter, and thank you TPB Box for providing us this newsletter. This actually keeps us all updated on the books that are going to be in the different nominations of different prize lists, and then the editor's choice and everything. And as I said, we have the wrapping paper here. So that's it today, folks. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Opening the big book box is like a surprise treat to myself, and that was like quite a good surprise, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Let's meet in another video in coming days, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, bye bye.